The very first moment you open your eyes every single morning, you are already carrying an invisible, suffocating weight. This morning grogginess is the literal physical residue of the soul's nightly journey, the static of the astral plane clinging to the extremities of your spiritual spacesuit. Waking up marks a profound and delicate transition as your consciousness moves from a state of non-manifestation back into the dense constraints of the physical world. Ancient traditions define sleep as a precise metaphysical proportion, exactly 1/60th of a death state. During this time, your higher intellectual consciousness vacates the body, leaving the physical vessel powered down and dormant. Kabbalistic physics dictates that a spiritual vacuum cannot remain unoccupied. When the intense light of the divine image recedes, a heavy, stagnant negative pressure, known as Ruach Ra'ah, rushes in to fill the void. As you wake, consciousness returns like an ontological pressure wave. This sudden surge of light forcefully flushes the stagnant energy from your core. The impurity is compressed, condensing at the peripheral boundaries of your body, specifically the hands and fingertips. Until this concentrated, localized static is cleared, the human operating system remains effectively locked out of its capacity for authentic interaction with reality. In this system, the human body functions as a highly advanced energetic instrument. To project intention into the material world, it requires clear, unobstructed interfaces. Your 10 fingers act as the ultimate output terminals of this system, corresponding directly to the 10 supernal channels of creative energy through which the universe was spoken into existence. The static of the night acts as energetic noise that jams these terminals, preventing the individual from projecting holiness or creative power into their daily actions. Physical scrubbing cannot dissolve a metaphysical blockade. Forcing the grid back online requires a specific bioenergetic protocol. The catalyst for this reset is water, the physical manifestation of chesed, a force of pure, flowing, infinite giving. This ritual utilizes water as a high-capacity cosmic conductor. While you slept, your system went offline. This liquid light provides the exact frequency required to bring the grid back online. The reboot is a precise alternating pour, right hand, then left, repeating 3 times. Consecutive pouring fails because impurity simply migrates to the dry hand. This alternating sequence engineers a trap, dismantling the dense static until it's completely eliminated by the 3rd cycle. As the living water strikes the skin, the heavy static instantly dissolves, firing up the left and right hemispheres of your spiritual circuitry. This ritual clears the corrupted cache of the night, systematically rebooting the hardware for the day's upcoming actions. With the static cleared, the hands return to their unimpeded state, pulsing with a biomagnetic grid ready to receive and direct divine light. Refusing to engage with the world before executing this purification is an assertion of spiritual sovereignty over your environment. You transition from the soul-deprived state of sleep into a state of conscious, deliberate action. By mastering this very first movement, you reclaim sovereignty over your vehicle, transitioning from a passive vessel into an active, conscious participant. Your hands are the instruments that build reality. Make sure they are powered on. If you want to keep decoding the hidden architecture of the human operating system with us, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's unlock the next mechanic together.